I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Well, got an issue with the sink not draining. It's even backing up into the garbage disposal side. So I'm going to try something that I was told works. Let's see. So I let the sink slowly drain itself for a long time here. I got 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of baking soda, and then something to boil water in. I also got my Happy Birthday Jesus cup that I'm going to use to cover it when I get the solution all inside there. Alright, this is like 3.5 cups of boiling water that I'm going to pour down in there. Now I'm going to put the baking soda. Oh man, that didn't go down. And then hopefully the vinegar will help it go down here. Oh no! Alright, that's working a little better. Putting a little bit of time in and getting the vinegar to wash it down. There we go. That's good. I'll cover it, wait 5 to 10 minutes. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm getting some more water boiling. Got 4 cups this time. Alright, it's boiling and my alarm's going off. So let's uncover. I don't know what the point of covering it is. Anyway, that's just what it said to do. Alright, let's see. Alexa, stop. Alright. I'm going to leave it set for a while, and then I'm going to come run the water for a long time and see if it actually continues to drain instead of backing up. Alright, it's just been a couple minutes. So after 1 minute, it did start backing up again. So I'm going to do the whole process over. Only this time I'm going to scoop out 1 tablespoon at a time. It takes 16 tablespoons for a cup. Got my boiling water. Let's do it again. Alright, this time I'm just going to put the plug over it. I still don't see the purpose of the plug. Time's up. Let's get this boiling water down there. Then we'll test it out. Alright, so last time at the 1 minute mark it started backing up. Let's try it now. And it's backing up again. So even though it's backing up again, let's see if it at least drains this time. No. Well, I'm just going to say that the baking soda, vinegar, boiling water trick to unclog your sink is a fail. I was really hoping for the all-natural life hack to work out. Time for some Drano. Now let's see if that fixes it. Alright, let's see if Drano did the trick now. Drano did the trick. If you want to support my channel, you can leave a super thanks below, or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, and we'll both get a free stock. And you can purchase the Drano through an Amazon link that I'll leave in the description. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from any qualifying purchases when using my link. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. And I have an Instagram. I'll leave links in the description for both of those. Thanks for watching.